We're going to be doing ABCs, airway, breathing, and circulation. It's very important to really do a good assessment, especially when you start thinking about patient assessment for medical and trauma. For some strange reason, we go to medic school and we think about all the medicine that we're going to be doing, but we forget about doing ABCs. So always remember, no matter what level you are, ABCs is super important. So A, right? I like to think A and A. I like to think airway and adjunct. So airway and adjunct. So is the airway patent? It simply means is the airway open. And then also from here, can my patient hold their own airway? If they can hold their own airway, great. If not, then we want to start thinking about an OPA or an MPA. And I have a video of that, and I'm going to link it to this one so you can go back and review it. So do we need one of these, and which one are we going to use? Right? So that's airway. So the next one is B, our breathing. But I like to say BO2 because I want to start thinking about oxygen therapy. So we want to know the rate and quality. Equal chest rise. And you don't have to, but you want to start thinking about lung sounds. Do you hear audible wheezing? Or is there grills going on? What is going on with the lungs? From here, I want to know what oxygen therapy I can give. So I'm going to start with the simplest one, which is nasal cannula. The next one will be your non-rebreather, your BVM, and even your CPAP. If you're hitting CPAP, somebody's having a really bad day. BVM, somebody's really having some really bad days, okay? So you also want to think about your oxygen therapy. And then how many liters per minute are we doing? 2 to 15. Some people say 1 to 25, but 2 to 15. The lowest I usually go is about 2 liters per minute. So we want to think about our breathing. From here, circulation, rate and quality, skin, and with the skin, we want to know the color. Ooh, if I could still, oh, okay, I got it right. Color, condition. Oh crap, what's the other one? Color, condition. Oh, what's the other one? What's the other one? Temperature. Oh, okay, good. Thanks for the cues. And temp. So this is all the things we want to know about the skin. And then also any bleeding. And if we're dealing with trauma, shock management. And this is basically laying a person supine. Ooh, if I can spell supine right, y'all. Supine. Keep them warm. And you want to give them high flow oxygen. So whatever, if you're using a BVM or a non-rebreather, you want to be at 15 liters per minute. That's considered high flow oxygen. And from here,